Hi, it's Joe from WHR Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to create an online course on WordPress using Learndash. So, Learndash is one of the best LMS systems, which means learning management systems. So, first of all, if you've installed it and activated your plugin, you just go to WordPress, Learndash LMS down here, okay, and that will take you to this part. Once you've entered your license, you'll get the full package coming down here. Okay, with that you have to go through an overview. You can watch the videos here. Okay, then you mark it complete and you go through each one. So you're going to go through creating courses, so all the demos are here for you, adding content, creating quizzes, and so on. Okay, once you've gone through that, there's some tips and tricks down here and all the documentation and support that you need here. Okay, right, to create an online course now. So first of all, you're going to go to courses. So once that loads, it will say add new course. Okay, so you're going to click here. For today, to get through this tutorial quickly, I'm going to show you the one I've already made. Okay, so you'll click add new. Let's do that. We'll open that in a new window. Okay, and I've made one here, and I'm going to click edit so you can see exactly how a course would look, but much quicker. Right, once that loads, you'll see the add new course part here. So all you need to do is add a title to your course, and you can put an image or some text here. So as you can see here, we've got the Facebook Ads Domination Pro video course here. Then you can change your permalink if you want. Just click edit. And then down here, I've just kept it simple. I've put the title of the course and I've put an image of the course there. Okay, so that's exactly what you'll do here. So your title of your course here, if you want a picture of your course, just add media. You can add text, you can add all the categories and so on there. Okay, so there's your course. Then the next thing you want to do is head to lessons. So if we click lessons, these are the individual parts that are going to go into your course. And as you can see, you would have clicked add new, but we're going to show you some of the ones we've added already. So once you press add new, let's just click on one of these lessons that I've assigned to the Facebook ads course. Alright, this is what it will look like. So all you have to do is name the lesson. Okay, so this one, top 7 Facebook advertising facts you probably didn't know, and then you add the video that you've made to go with that lesson. Okay, so obviously you have to create your own videos, okay, or you might have bought some videos just to upload onto your website as a course. So this is actually a video, so I've added the video through add media here. And I've kept it simple. Like I said, I've just put the course, the lesson title and the video here, and once I've done that, you just need to add it here to your lesson category, and then you can assign it to your course, okay, which is on the previous page. I'll show you in a second. Again, let's open this up to see what it looks like. So this is how one of the modules will look once you've put your title and put your video. So someone who's bought the course, this is what will happen once they get to that module on the course. So the course is in progress, it would say. Here's the video.
Top 7 Facebook advertising facts you probably didn't know.
They would go through that module, as you can see.
5.
Once they finish that, they can either go back to the previous lesson, mark this one complete, or head on to the next lesson. Okay, so if I go back, so you're going to make all of those individual lessons that you want within your course, then you're going to assign it to your course that you made at the start. Okay, so if we go to lessons again, you'll see where I've assigned all of those lessons to a particular course right here. As you can see, they're all assigned to Facebook Ads Domination Pro video course. Okay, if I go to courses again, we're already on this bit actually. I can open the course, what it would look like from the start once someone's purchased. So this will be the home page of the course once someone's made a purchase. Okay, it's got all the course content here. Okay, so if I click here, it will take them to that lesson, just like we saw those previous lessons, and then they can go to the next lesson, mark complete, and so on. If I go back to the course part where it says Builder, this is where you add your lessons. So as you can see, they've already been added. I won't go through that, it's fairly simple. I've made those lessons, I've added them here. Okay, if you want to add a new lesson, just click that button there, and then you've got quizzes if you want to add. I'm going to show you the settings for the courses now. So you've got course material. If you want any extra material, you can add that to the course. If you want to make a certificate, there's a section down here. If you have a look here, you can create your own certificate and add it to the course, so once they've completed it, they'll get a certificate. You can make the course content always visible or only visible when someone is enrolled. And then I want to show you this part. Access mode is really important if you want to sell your courses. So you've got a variety of options. So you've got open, so that would mean if I selected that category, anyone can access this course. You've got free, which obviously means anyone can access it. You've got buy now, which is linked to the PayPal built in the Learndash dashboard. Reoccurring if it's a monthly fee, okay, rather than a one-off purchase. And I use closed. Okay, so if you use closed, you can put your course price here and the button, which will again link to your PayPal in your settings. And then I'm going to show you what that will look. Once you've made that, it will add in as a product. So if I go to my shop page, which is here, so if I click shop, my course will now come up there with that price, so $19.99. As you can see, you can click here. It's got the title of my course which I made. It's got the picture that I put with my course, and then down here it's got the text, the image, and the course content again. Okay, so it's that simple to create a course using Learndash. If I go back to show you some of the other settings, so we've gone through courses, we've gone how to create lessons and then link them to the course you've made. You can add topics, you can add quizzes and questions. Okay, so if you want individual quizzes, there's some really helpful resources on here already. So just click quizzes. I haven't added them personally, it's already got the tutorial on there for how to create them. It's very simple. You just click add new, and again you just assign those quizzes or questions, whatever you want to use, assign them to the course. I'm not going to take you through the rest because we saw certificates. All you have to do is upload a certificate, and then once they've completed the course, they'll automatically get that certificate. We'll go for settings here now. This is the last bit I wanted to show you. So obviously in here, if you want your logo, add it there. PayPal settings, click there, and then you can put your PayPal email, and then that will link straight to the PayPal button you've put on your course front page. And that's about it. Right, the best thing about Learndash at the moment is we have an exclusive discount. So if you go to pricing, at the moment we've negotiated with Learndash to get you $40 off whatever package you want to choose. Okay, so if you've got one site, I would go for that. You don't need 10 sites, unless you've got 10 sites. I wouldn't go for the plus package or pro at this moment. Okay, I would start with the basic if you've only got one site. Okay, and then play around adding these courses that you've created. Okay, it's so simple. Okay, let's go back to how one would look. So if I go to edit course page, remember, once you've done that, you've created your lessons, added them to a course, add your images and your videos, and then this is how it will view once someone, I'm going to put it at the end here, once someone has made the payment. Okay, you saw in the settings how I added that $19.99 automatically creates the product, which is linked to my shop page. It's all there. As soon as they click, they get access to the course, which will look like this. 0% complete because I haven't done anything on here yet. Okay, got all the different lessons that we've added here. So if I click one, that's the media file we uploaded within the lesson, and it's that simple.
How Facebook reach.
Okay, so like I said, if you want Learndash, if you want to make online courses on WordPress, Learndash is definitely the best LMS software for that. And like I said, you have a $40 discount code if you use the link in the description. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Joe from WHR Marketing. See you next time.